where 3,000-year-old legends rise from emerald waters, and nature itself guards secrets so profound, scientists are still unraveling them today. This isn't a fantasy. This is Ohrid, Europe's best-kept vacation secret that's about to blow your mind. Nature's masterpiece. Ohrid Lake isn't just water, it's a living museum. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this ancient aquatic wonder is home to over 200 endemic species. Scientists call it a time capsule. Its waters have remained unchanged for 2 million years. But here's the kicker. Despite being Europe's oldest and deepest lake, 99% of travelers have never heard of it. Why? Because Ohrid doesn't shout, it whispers. And those who listen discover nature's greatest symphony. Legends versus history. Ohrid's churches hold a truth that changes everything. Walk Ohrid's cobblestones, and you'll feel it, the weight of 365 churches, one for each day of the year. But legend says there's a 366th, hidden beneath the waves. Archaeologists recently discovered submerged ruins that could rewrite Byzantine history. Local tales speak of Saint Clement performing miracles here, turning lake water into wine. Coincidence? Or did this mystical landscape truly inspire divine intervention? Every stone in Ohrid holds a story that blurs the line between myth and reality. The sunset phenomenon. This sunset breaks the laws of physics. Here's why. Sunsets in Ohrid aren't just beautiful, they're scientifically impossible. As the sun dips behind the Galasisa Mountains, something extraordinary happens. The lake's unique mineral composition creates a liquid mirror effect, amplifying colors into hues of violet, gold, and crimson that shouldn't exist in nature. Meteorologists call it the Ohrid Effect, a phenomenon where light refracts through ancient waters, creating sunsets so intense, cameras can't capture their true brilliance. Witnessing it isn't just seeing, it's experiencing nature's greatest magic trick. The vacation transformation. Why travelers leave Ohrid as different people. Vacations here don't relax, they transform. Kayak across waters so clear, you'll see 22-meter deep ruins beneath your paddle. Dine where ancient Romans feasted, with fresh trout caught hours earlier. Hike to viewpoints where 3 countries unfold before you. But the real transformation happens at sunset, when the lake's silence whispers ancient wisdom. Travelers report leaving with unshakable calm, a phenomenon locals call the Ohrid Reset. In a world of noise, this is nature's antidote. The future secret. Ohrid's greatest secret hasn't been discovered yet. Geologists recently detected mysterious electromagnetic pulses beneath the lake. Conspiracy theorists? No, Oxford University researchers. They believe Ohrid sits on a geological anomaly that could explain Earth's climate history. Meanwhile, local fishermen still report seeing lake spirits, bioluminescent phenomena science can't explain. Ohrid isn't just preserving the past, it's holding keys to our future. And the most mind-blowing discoveries? They're still waiting in the depths. Ohrid doesn't just show you nature, it lets you feel its heartbeat. A place where every sunset writes a new chapter in your story. But this is just the beginning. Our channel uncovers Earth's greatest hidden wonders, from volcanic islands to forgotten cities. Hit subscribe now and join 500,000 adventurers who've transformed their travel dreams into reality. Click the bell to never miss a paradise that rewrites history. Your next life-changing journey starts here.